Assalamualaikum my dear students. I hope you are all okay. Today our second day chapter name is geometry. We will learn new shapes. At first I will show you some things. You have to say what are they. What is this? A box, black box. This one, a matchbox. Ornament box. Let's try to draw cuboid. For drawing cuboid, first I am drawing a quadrangle, then another quadrangle, and I am joining the corner points. Finished. This one is a cuboid. First, I have joined these two, then these two, then these two, and at last these two. I have made a cuboid. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, watermelon. This one, a ball. Bread. These shapes have a name as usual. What are the name? What is the name? Name is sphere. Now again I am drawing sphere. Now this is an sphere. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, an ice cream. This one, buttercup. This one, a funnel. These three have a geometrical shapes name. What are the name? What is the name? Name is cone. Now I will show you how to draw a cone. First, you have to draw a circle. Then you have to join one and two lines. This one is cone. I am showing another some things. This one, spray bottle. One, pen folder. My water pot. My hot pot. These shapes have common name. What? Cylinder. Now I will show you how to draw a cylinder. At first you have to draw two round shapes. Then you have to join these two lines and it's become a cylinder. Is it not very easy? Very easy. Let's try to solve exercises. Question number 1. Draw the following figures. You have to draw the following figures. Here is the answer pattern. Question number 2. 91 page. Reza and Mina collected the following items in their house. Discuss what kinds of shapes are there. Let's write their names in the blanks in the following table. With the help of picture, we have to fill the tables. Here first one is cuboid. Cuboid, examples of cuboid, brick, book and dice. Cylinder, example of cylinder, glass, mug and bottle. Cone, example of cone is ice cream funnel flow. Sphere, example of sphere is watermelon, marble and football. Question number 292. Question is, match or name a figure and its shape viewed from the above and side. Cuboid. Here is the figure and cuboid viewed from the above and side. Quadrangle. Cone. Cone's figure viewed from above and side. Circle and triangle. Sphere. Figure viewed from above and side. Cylinder, already shown for you. Here is the answer pattern. No more today. Thank you very much.